Hey everybody, long video short. Welcome to my channel. I had a roof leak. Before I moved in, they had patched it. Thought it was around there. I went ahead and hit it with roof and tar, with the Henry roof patch, all that. I dug it all out and redid it again just so I knew it was going to be good. That stucco on the side. I don't think it's getting under there. When I put a tarp over this, my roof leak stopped. I went ahead and caulked in between all my joints with the roof and caulk. I did them vertical and horizontal. Still leaked after that. I used their spray-on roofing tar, just like Flex Seal, but made for roofs. That didn't work either. I put the tarp back up. It stopped. We had a hurricane. I wouldn't call it a hurricane. It was high winds. Kind of disappointing. But anyway, so what I wanted was a product just like this. I couldn't find one. You had to order it. They didn't have it at Home Depot available. So what I went ahead and did, I watched all kinds of YouTube videos. I got a roll-on roofing tar from Home Depot. It's not made for this, but this is what I went ahead and used it for. So it looks pretty good. Scrub it in with the roofing brush, back and forth, up and down, get it in all the pores, all the seams and everything like that. And then once you're done, you want to go over it because the rain's coming down, so you want to pull down, get at the other end, pull down so you're getting all that excess off of those joints so it won't run anymore. And yeah, and then the roof, or the rain as it runs off the roof, will actually go down and not stay on your seams, your horizontal seams going across, and cause a problem all over you. So this is what I did. It's a product at Home Depot. It's made for rolling on flat roofs, I think. I forget what it's called. It's a green and red can. It's not the Henry stuff. Anyway, try it. It should work. I'll keep you updated. I couldn't find any more videos, so if you could, please leave comments to help everybody that's looking for these kind of videos or this product. Please, let's spread the word. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it. Have a good day.